One step at a time. One step at a time. Step by step. Stair by stair. You keep going until you need a break. You keep going until you need a break. Then, when you are ready, go again. Step after step. Sometimes small, sometimes big. But keep stepping. Step after the step. And then you take a break. And when you are ready, you keep going. Step after the step. Nobody says it will be easy. But hard paths will lead you to big release. Hard path will bring you closer to who you are. Nobody can do it for you. Remember, 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 only you, your true self, can get you where you want to go. Nobody can get you where you want to go. Even if people trying to help you, yes, sometimes we need help. Sometimes we need to be carried. Sometimes we need to be pushed. Sometimes we need to be pulled. But most of the time you have to walk it by yourself. Most of the time you have to do it by yourself. And sometimes you will meet an angel, and that angel will help you to move forward. Without any fear. It will take away some weight what you carry. And it will give you release. And you became lighter. And you one day become a leader, because a leader doesn't mean you just lead others. In the first place, you have to lead yourself. You are the one who you need to lead first. And when you learn that, when you learn how to lead yourself, how to carry yourself, how to deal with yourself, only then can become true leader. You have to show up first. You need to be the first. You need to be example. Be the example first to yourself, and then you can show to be example for others and help others, uplift others, show them the way they need to see, for those who cannot see yet, for those who are still blind. Lead with your heart. Be brave. Show up every day for yourself, not for the others, but for yourself. And when you do that, you will see the shift. You will feel energy. You will feel the strength within you. You will feel it inside your core. You will feel it inside every cell of your body. Then you know you are ready. Then you know it's time for the next step. Guys, it's a pleasure to be with you. This Peaceful Warrior Dojo. Always. From my heart to your heart, I love you all.